In this video, I'm going to share with you a tool that helps automatically share your posts to thousands of groups. This is the software interface. The software helps you manage a large number of Facebook accounts. Each account is assigned a proxy to ensure safety. Because this software mainly operates using UIDs, I will need to convert multiple links into UIDs. Here, I will copy the group links and paste them into the tool, and it will automatically convert those links into UIDs. For me, the more Facebook accounts you use, the more effective it will be. If you want to share a post, select the Share function. Here, you have multiple options such as sharing posts, reels, or marketplace listings. In this case, I will choose Share Post. In the Post ID section, you can input multiple posts that you want to share. However, there is one requirement. You need to convert all links into UIDs to ensure everything runs properly. Next, you can choose where you want to share the posts, such as groups, personal pages, or personal news feeds. Here, I will choose to share to groups, and I will enter the group IDs where I want these posts to be shared. You also have additional options, such as automatically commenting under the post after sharing to increase engagement. After completing all the settings, select the accounts and click Start. The software will automatically run for you. It operates in the background, so it won't affect your workflow. Once completed, you will have a history like this. Here, I will check a few links to see the results.